See you later. Oh, good now.
Let's go.
Yep. Guys, hello. I'm here in checking my cooking. Guys, look at this, guys. It's so yummy.
Yes.
Hello. This is our restaurant.
Yeah, time for our laundry. Laundry drop. And it's going to this place. It used to be our restaurant actually. We used to have a restaurant in here. And that's where the school is. That's why we had the restaurant here. It's very close. And now you can see all the kids coming out. We used to be so busy here. Schindler's Cafe. Yeah. This time of the day, middle lunch break.
That all the students come out now. This is school of my son. And this is the one. We also have a restaurant here before, guys. But we stopped it. Because we don't have time. And it's rushing all the time. So many customers, kids. I cannot keep up.
Yeah, look at this one.
It's so tiring.
We were more packed than this.
Yes, we are more packed.
Oh, look at this one also.
Yes.
CC.
Yeah, it's like same as this our restaurant before. It's tiring. It's no rest.
Hot.
Yes, and it's so hot.
Oh.
That's why we stop. We cannot.
Yeah, and our travels as well. It doesn't help the restaurant business. Closing down.
Now let's go to SNR. And this one is full also.
Yeah.
Kids. Just our order. Double flakes, my favorite. And chicken and 2 calamansi juice.
Big rice bowl for you.
Yes. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
This one is delicious. Cheers.
Yes. Here again in our favorite shop. Ta-da! SNR and
Stocking up on meat.
yes, stocking up on meat. Buy apple, grapes, our favorite burger,
Shella's favorite muffins.
muffins.
2 for the price of 1.
Yes, it's buy one take one muffins. Buy one take one coffee. Quinoa.
Getting healthy today.
Healthy. That's our rice now. Quinoa. We're using quinoa. Bacon, favorite bacon, sausage, some pork and chicken.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it,
And
guys.
sweet potato.
Yes, potato, healthy food. And that's it.
Yeah.
See you
good.
later. All good now.
Let's go.
Yep.
So guys, the total here comes to 5,275 pesos and 29 cents. And this lasts us for over 2 weeks actually. The amount of meat. Actually we bought extra because we're going to give to Shella's brothers also some of the meat. Yeah, it's not bad. Just over 5,000 pesos. That's it for today. Our concrete is laid. Comes the next phase of building the structure around for the walls. The whole skeleton of this, using this tubular metal. So this arrived today, but the cement floor is still too wet to work on, so we have to wait maybe another day or two. So possibly by the weekend we can start building, and then this will be the structure, the skeleton for the cladding for the walls. Yep. So the next phase is starting.
So I'm done marinating the chicken, and then I'm gonna put this one in the oven later. I put masala here, 7 spices that we bought in South Africa. Yes, look at that, guys. So nice. Now my chicken is ready to oven. Guys, hello. I'm here in checking my cooking. I boil the corn and check, and I bake a chicken wings with potato and onion. That's so yummy. Look at that. Gorgeous one.
So we've had a few days break because they needed the cement to harden and dry and harden. And now it's there. And what's happening now is we're building the roof line for the second floor. Oh, that way. So they put together, or they put down the beams. As you can see, the poles are all there now. The beams for the roof line, which is going to be a sloped roof. So that's the height of the interior. But we do need a little bit of space because we want the insulation layer underneath that. Otherwise it's going to be too hot. But now I can't walk through here any longer. They've blocked that off. Now. Hello. Yeah, but that's the kind of insulation that we're going to use. So our roof line will just continue down. Previously that was the edge, and we had the gutter over here, which they removed over the weekend. So yeah, we're going to continue now. Let's see what they can achieve tomorrow. Hi guys, it's time for the roof today. And these are all the frames for the gutters that go around the edges. Yeah, it's going fast. Nice. Maybe they'll finish us today. I don't know. I think that's the aim. Let's see. And this is not ours. This is from this house. It's just been built.
Everybody. Just kidding. We're here because it's not yet full, so we decided to eat in here. And Kai Ramen. Kai, what is
Yes.
the name? Kai
Instead of chicken?
Yes,
For a
no,
change?
no chicken for today. So we're here in Kai.
Kind of chicken.
Beautiful. Eating time now. And look at this, guys. It's so yummy. The ramen here is lots of stuff. This is my seafood ramen.
I love my ramen.
Yes.
It's nice.
What's that? Can you show me what's inside of that?
Look at this little decoration.
Wow.
So pretty.
Yeah, can you show inside also?
This is pork, but it's
Pork,
the spicy
inside
one.
is it's more ingredients in
Yeah.
that.
Lots of veggies and
Wow.
I don't know what this egg.
Oh, it's yummy.
Radish.
Bon appetit, everybody.
So huge.
Yes, huge. Nice, huh? It's a good deal.
Yeah.
Still carry on.
They're not finished.
It's so, yeah, too much, guys. Actually, it's a good deal, this one.
Still
It's a lot
left.
inside. Yes.
Huge
Like
amount of noodles and ingredients.
Yes. Two people can eat it, right?
459 pesos each.
Yes.
It's a good deal.
Yep. Good deal. Full, and it's so yummy.
So the total for these two ramens is 1,108 pesos. Not bad. That includes 2 Coca-Colas. Or Pepsis. Same thing. Yeah, it's a good deal. You can advise this one. What is it called? I don't even know.
Kai.
Kai.
No, it's not. I don't know. Right.
Rai. No, it says here on the top. Rai. Yeah. Rai. Come to Rai for your ramen.
Right. Buying a new SIM card. Because our SIM card is not working.
Yeah, I've got a Dito, this globe and Dito. But my Dito doesn't seem to work there where we live. We're too far away from the city. So I need a backup.
This one. So here now, in Dito, in Globe. We're waiting for our number. Try this one.
That's the numbers.
Hello everyone! Since Gustav and Shella is not here, I'm your vlogger for today's video. Hi Danay, say hi! And we're here sa Ray's Bakery and Cafe located at CPU. Say hi Danay, hi!
Hi.
Hi to the owner! Hi to Danay, i-vlog na mo dyan. That we will have our food tasting now. Hi, Kai! Hello! We're here now sa kitchen and we're preparing for cakes. Hi!
Ano we're making?
Very nice and cake.
Obi de leche.
What's this?
Obi de leche.
Obi de leche. Tapos may caramel as syrup. Very nice. And this is very sarap. And diba? She's putting a decoration at the top of the cake. What's the icing? It's moist.
Ay, tinawin mo sandwich to? Ay, dito ko. Ano ko makakagin mo sandwich ah?
And this is my aunt, the owner. Check! This is the owner. Marito sa kitchen, Maris. We're going to their kitchen. Let's go with me. Di ba latte? Ano siya?
Hot latte.
Ha?
Hot latte.
Hot latte.
Sabi na.
And we're here to their kitchen. Hello! What's your cooking? Lumpia and sisig. The moment of truth. We're now ready to eat. Ano talaga? Lotus teriyaki and fried chicken, lumpia and sisig. The fried chicken, the teriyaki, with buffalo.
Ano dyan si Tamis? Ano dito na kami?
Hi, Kai! Hello! Bakbakan na! Ano, wala?